This is an informational product video about our 6.0 Stage 1 Master Overhaul Kit and what it includes. And we're also going to answer a lot of the questions that we get about this kit for your different applications for the 6.0 Powerstroke diesel. First off, it does come with a Mahle gasket set. These are the most complete gasket sets that you can get for the 6.0 Powerstroke diesel. It literally comes with every O-ring and seal you'll need to reseal the complete engine. We do have one option as an upgrade to these actual gasket sets. If you want to do the factory forward head gaskets, which a lot of people, they want to upgrade to the factory forward head gaskets because they feel the factory forward head gaskets are superior to the Mahle gasket. We do have that option on the website on the pull down menu. You can add the factory forward head gaskets if you'd like. What we will do is take the Mahle gaskets out and put the factory forward head gaskets in the box for you. It does come with our chromoly Stage 1 billet push rods. These are a 080 wall 4130 chromoly one-piece push rod, and they are the correct updated length, the shorter length for the 6.0 Powerstroke. Comes with a free t-shirt, comes with assembly lube, comes with your lifter trays, brand new OEM, comes with Mahle bearings, rod and main bearings in various different sizes, Durbond can bearings, comes with our HD lifters. Real quick on these lifters, you always want to soak these things in oil for 24 hours before you put them in, help lifter prime and get all the air pockets out of the actual plungers inside. It does come with our Stage 1 billet camshaft. The Stage 1 billet camshaft is a redesigned camshaft. It is to help the lifter failures in these engines by making the lobes with a smooth transition ramp rate across the nose, a little bit easier on the lifters, a little faster turbo spool, reduce EGTs, great for towing, stock applications. You can run stock tuning, performance tuning with them. It's just a little bit better than a factory camshaft. You'll get a little bit better bottom end torque and mid-range power with it. It does have a lifetime warranty. We're the only ones in the industry that give a lifetime warranty on our camshafts. Keep this box for the life of the cam. If you ever have an issue with it, put it back in the box, send it back. We will replace the camshaft, no questions asked. There is no labor paid, but we will replace this camshaft. These are not a regrind. They are a billet 5140 hardened and precision ground camshaft. These kits do not come with the gear installed. You will have to do that yourself. Also, in this real quick, we usually suggest welding the gear after it's put on. After you press the gear on, welding it would really, it just helps. The press fit will hold them, but a lot of guys are tack welding them or running a bead of TIG weld around them just to hold them in place as an extra fail safe. Comes with Mahle rings. We'll talk about this really quick. The Mahle rings, we do take them off the pistons. They do come with rings. So what we do is we take the actual piston rings off the actual pistons and put them in a steel container so they don't get damaged in shipping. These rings are really brittle, and we're just making sure that we get them to you in one piece. If you need help with how to install them and what tools we use when we install them, there is a video that I actually made probably 4 or 5 years ago on installing piston rings. That should help you out there. As for the piston options, we offer those in standard 10, 20, 30, and 40. We do have a lot of questions about reduced compression height. There is an option on the website for reduced compression height. What that means is if your cylinder block, the deck of your block has been milled by the machine shop, you want to make sure you get that number from them. If they shave 2 to 4 thousandths, 5 thousandths, you don't have to do anything to the top of the piston. If they shave 10, 8 to 10 to 15 or 20, you're going to want to pick that option. Some people pick that option anyways just to kill a little bit of compression and make sure they have enough piston to valve clearance. If their heads have been milled and their valve recessions, which is the depth of the valve sitting in the head, is maybe on the actual low side. So that's a good option to have, but always make sure if you have your block machine and they're going to deck it, that you are real adamant about asking them how much they took off the deck surface. We can also customize that for You guys, if you want, say they took off 13 thousandths and you want exactly 13 thousandths off, just click on 10 mil option on the website, and in the notes, please put mil 13. We can customize these any way you like. They do come in a different couple options too as well. The regular kit just comes with the regular pistons, which this is all a straight drop-in as long as your valve recessions and your piston height is within spec. You won't have any issues. It'll drop in. We also offer them in ceramic coated and then the fly cut option. Some guys like the fly cut option just for an extra fail safe. So we do have all those different options. These kits usually ship within 1 to 3 business days. We keep all this stuff in stock on the shelf. If you add the ceramic coating or any kind of machining to the top of the pistons, it does take us a couple days to process it before it will go out. These kits, the Stage 1 kit itself, are really good for average rebuilds. I'd say up to 550 horsepower, mild tuning, heavy towing applications. They're not really a performance kit, but they can be ran as a performance kit, definitely. But they are definitely a good option for a solid rebuild on your 6.0 Powerstroke. If you have any questions about this kit, feel free to ask. You can hop on the website and send us the contact info, and we will get back to you, or you can call us at 855-648-6773. Thanks for watching.